Hi guys, welcome to Meniuu, all the systems that your restaurant needs for marketing, sales, and service that helps your restaurant grow. So let's start this tutorial. We're going to have a couple. Right now we're going to show you how to set up your account. It's very easy and fast. And here you can see all the areas that are covered. You're going to be able to edit and install your kitchen displays, the POS system, the self-service kiosk, and we'll have a tutorial for each. Okay, so let's get started. You're gonna go to either the website or download the app. It is compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows. You can use it on your tablet, on your laptop, smartphone. You're gonna go to Get Started. It's free. You're gonna see all the different plans. Okay, so let's start by selecting our basic free plan. We're gonna click on Select Plan tab. Let's create our account. Right here in your namespace, we're gonna put the owner's name. We're gonna go down to your email. You're gonna enter your email address. And we will create a password. We're going to select Create Your Restaurant. We're going to click on that tab. And there you go. You have your account almost set up. Everything is ready. We're just going to enter a couple of information about your restaurant. So let's click on Let's Do It. Okay, great. So let's start filling all our information, starting by the restaurant's name. Now we're going to add a little description about our restaurant. Here an address, the restaurant's address. Our restaurant's phone number. We're gonna scroll down and here it says if you have home delivery. We're gonna select yes. And here we're gonna add how much we charge for home delivery. And the currency, of course, according to your country. We have over 150 currencies. Depending on which country your restaurant is in. And down here we have the restaurant logo. In this case, we're not gonna put one in, but you will have to do that in order to advance. And then you're gonna click on the Save tab right here. Okay, and there you go. You have all in one place, the cook screen, the waiter screen, kiosk ordering, cashier POS, the waiter POS, home delivery, all the tools that you need to operate your food business. Let's click on Next. You also have 24/7 technical support, and we'll have a tutorial for that. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so you will also see a default menu, which you will be able to edit, and we're also going to have tutorials for that. Click on Next. There you go. Your account, your Meniuu account has been created. As fast as that, guys. So keep subscribing, keep watching the tutorials, and thank you.